Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a mini review of this little baby right here. So this is the REVLON one-step hair dryer. This little baby is fairly wide. I would say that it's perfect for medium to long hair. The reason why I say that is because since it's so wide, like you see right here, it takes a lot of hair, but your hair needs to be in a certain length so you can kind of go and smoothly just take it out. If you have really short hair, like a pixie cut or like a hair that's like up to here, you can use this, but it's gonna be fairly difficult to get into your roots. Other than that, if you have your hair kind of like me and then longer, you can totally use this. Now, as you guys know, I have curly hair. I have a good amount of hair and very curly. I came with low hopes for this just because nothing really works for my hair when it comes to blowing it out. I tried the traditional way. I've tried other products kind of similar to this, and it does not work for my hair. But then I decided to buy this. This is, I believe the retail price is around $50 to $60, depending where you buy it. I bought mine on Amazon and they had a 40% off, so I got it for $35. That was a great price, so I decided to get it. So the one-step hair dryer comes with basically 3 settings. The first setting is high, which is what I use for my hair. I use always high. Then you have a low setting, and then you have a cooling setting. You can use after you finish blow drying your hair, cooling down your hair, and also like kind of seal the deal. The low setting, if you want to use it, if you have really fine, already straight hair, I guess that will work for you. Now, if you have curly hair, I will definitely recommend for you to go with the high setting. If you don't use the high setting, it will probably not do such a great job. In my experience, it does not tug on my hair. I barely have any type of hair stuck, like if any, just 1 or 2 strands. And it's amazing. It detangles your hair, it brushes your hair, and it also straightens it. So this is the result when I used it. I just recently used it, and this is my hair with it, and I am so happy about it. I am going to show you a little mini tutorial of how I used it, and I'll show you all my hair, how it was before and how it is like at the end. So without further ado, let's go to the video. All right, so I am out of the shower. I have fresh hair. I already put the Rigid split end mender, so that's for my split ends. And now I'm just gonna put some heat protectant in my hair, and I'm using the Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler from Dry Bar right here. And I'm just gonna spritz it all over my hair. Now that I have that, I'm just gonna divide my hair so it can be easier for me to do my hair. Just gonna do this section first, and then I'm gonna do this section. And now the star of the show. Let's see what this baby can do. If you have shorter hair than mine, it's gonna be really difficult since it's so wide. So we're just gonna start with this one and just comb it like so and see what we have. just one strand done. So they left it like this. And I'm just gonna keep going with my hair. And there you go. Pardon me, I get hot when I do my hair, but this is it. This is how it looks. I hope that you can see. I'll do my other part of my hair and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so that is all. That is my review for this little baby right here. Would I recommend it? 100% yes, especially since it's so affordable compared to most of the products out there that is for your hair. Right now, we're in quarantine, so you cannot go to the salon. This is perfect for having a blowout at your house. It does a really, really good job. You just need to practice a little bit and it will be amazing. That is it, guys. That's all my review. Definitely recommend. If you see it somewhere and you want to get it, go and get it. Please don't forget to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. And also remember that I do videos every single Monday and Friday. And I'll see you all later. Bye.